What's up guys, welcome back to Boy 101. Yes, we are back with another update guys. Basically, these are some of the barrages I'm going to have for Bonfire night. This is going to be part 1 of my Bonfire night stash guys. These I got given for free. It didn't come with everything, as some of the stuff had already been let off, but they didn't want the others because they're too loud for the kids. So I got given this whole, got these three for free. These are the Hallmark Magic 6 barrage. Let me just show you the specs on the box here. We have 624 grams a neck in the whole case, so if you were to buy this as a whole case, that's how many grams you would get. Category F2 by Hallmark Fireworks, and the production date was 2017 on here. Now, these are really nice weighty barrages. They've got 16 shot in each, and they have a total of 104 grams in each barrage. They don't list the effects, or what effects they do, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but hopefully they'll be good. Now, another edition, we had this last year. You guys already know what this is. This is the Celtic 6-pack. Now this, guys, if you can pick this up, I highly recommend it. These are really high quality, heavy duty, really heavy cakes, and they all have a 20mm bore on these cakes as well. And they have 116.8 grams in each barrage. Some of them may have different grams, I don't remember that from last year, but it may have different grams in each one. 16 shots of gold tail to colour peony, gold tail to white strobe, gold tail to silver chrysanthemums. That's what the Buddha are. And we have Iron Age of Sky. Yet again, 20mm bore. This has 112 grams. Okay, yeah, so the grams are different in each of these barrages. We have Effects Thai chrysanthemums. Yeah, so 112 grams in that one. Then we have 600 BC. Multicolour, 116.8 grams in this one. Yeah, gold tail to a gold wave with purple pearl, gold tail to gold wave with sea blue pearl, gold tail to crackling. And that's the 600 BC. Celtic, multicolour, 116.8 grams, 20-second burn time on this one. And purple tail to purple peony, green tail to green peony, gold strobe. Bronze Age Knights, 116.8 and 20-second burn time as well. Gold tail to green palm with gold strobe, gold tail to blue palm, gold strobe. And yeah, it shows you the neck up there as well. And we have Jude's Brew, 20mm bore as well, 112 grams in this one. So you get two 112 grams, and the rest are 116.8 grams. Wait, sorry. See, I'm a little bit confused on this one. I think there's a bit of a packaging error here. It says 112 here, but on the back it says 116.8. So I'm guessing that's just a bit of a manufacturing error. But yeah, this is 16 gold tail to gold cocoa with purple. So yeah, guys, these are some of the barrages I have. I'm hopefully going to get more soon. I'll keep you posted, and I'll keep you posted about any other stash add-ons I have. So thank you guys for watching this part 1 of my fireworks stash. See you in the next one, guys.